Okay, hello. My name is Ireland Grecki. I am a senior at Forsyth Central High School, class of 2023. It's in this small town in Georgia called Cumming, Georgia, so that's where I live. But throughout my whole college application process, I have documented everything. So I documented every time that I submitted an application, to every reaction, to all the little comments and everything in between. And I'm putting it into one big video. I'll send out the link to all my friends and family and everything, but I loved watching these videos as I was going through the process and also just going through high school. It's like inspiration of, okay, this is all for like a greater purpose. Like we're almost there kind of thing. So I just thought it would be fun to make my own because you only get to go through this process once. I hope. So you might as well have fun with it. The first section of the video is a compilation of all of my I'm submitting to this place, and then the second section is all of my reactions, and I put the dates of everything because I think it's fun that way too. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy peeking into my college application process. I'm submitting my application to Augusta. Currently submitting my application to be on crew for J. Ridge. I am submitting my application to the University of Georgia. Yay! Oh, that was so scary. And I'm submitting to University of Virginia. Yay! Submitted. And I'm submitting my Common App to Princeton. Yay! Submitted. It's October 31st and I'm applying to the University of Alabama at the Sea of Galilee.
Roll Tide!
Okay, today is New Year's Eve. Yes, we have the Christmas tree still up. And I'm submitting my application to Davidson. Submitted. There it is. Yay. Okay, I'm submitting my application to Dartmouth. And Happy New Year! Yay! Submitted it. And I'm submitting my application to Pepperdine. So here we go. Submitted! Hopefully, Malibu next year would be really fun. I'm submitting my application to Emory. Yay! 12, 11, 10, 9, wait, this is so funny, 8, 7,
Who are you sending it to?
I'm just saying it, 3, ready, 2, oh, Happy New Year, yay, working on Common App essay still. Georgia won the football game apparently, so yay.
Attention points snagged at memories.
Hopefully I get into a good college that I like, we'll see. It's January 1st, 2023, and I'm submitting my application to Harvard. Submitted! And I'm submitting my application to Vanderbilt. Yay! Done! And I'm submitting my application to NYU. All done! Okay. It's January 2nd, and I'm submitting my application to Cornell. All right. I'm sending my application into Duke University. There we go. And I'm submitting my application to the University of Pennsylvania. There we go. And I'm submitting my last college application, and it's going to Yale. This is my 16th university. So. All done. Hello, this is my car. Excuse this. Because I was driving and I got an email from Augusta. I'd not pulled over. I'm just parked at my internship. And it says, "Dear Ireland, we have some exciting news. Head to your portal to see the latest update." So, this is my first reaction to college. I kind of know this is an acceptance because it literally says we have some exciting news. So, yeah. So, okay. Going to my portal. Let's see. It is with great enthusiasm I congratulate you on admission to Augusta. It is 4 p.m. Eastern. So they did say that we'll get a status update for University of Georgia. I wore my shirt for good luck. At 4 p.m. Eastern. So we'll see if it's there. Another site said that they'll release it sometime today, late afternoon, but let's see. So I'm gonna refresh the status portal. Oh my gosh. Status update. Okay, this is actually, it's becoming like more real. Okay. Yay! Go dog! Oh my gosh! I got into the honors college! Woo! Okay. We would also like to congratulate you on acceptance to the honors college at University of Georgia. It's a Good Friday. Happy Thanksgiving, so yay! They just sent me an email, but I got into the University of Alabama. So roll Tide. I got my ID, my username, my Crimson email address. That's pretty cool. Okay. It's 7. Oh, it's not loading. Okay. Okay.
It's at 7:30.
Deferred.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, that's fine. Let me read it. I can't see it. Honey, that's still great! That's still great! And I'm opening my University of Virginia decision. It's loading. I have to click update and Congratulations!
Happy day! Yay!
At first I read it and it looked like a rejection because it was just a letter. There was no confetti, but we are excited to offer you admission to the class of 2027.
Yay! You're
Okay, so super crazy update, but I was at a little Galentine's dinner with my mom. Today is Monday, February 13th, and she was like, let's go to this cute place in Buckhead. And I was like, oh, okay, like I don't have that much homework to do. And we were just sitting there like eating dinner, having a great time, and I got an email from Vanderbilt, and they're like, greetings from Nashville. We need you to check your portal. And I was like, oh, they probably are missing a transcript or whatever. But they let me into Vanderbilt like early too, which is crazy. And I'm still so confused why they did. I still don't understand why they did to this day. And everybody's freaking out, asking me how I got in early. I don't know at all. I'm just like in shock. Like this week has been just wild. But I didn't get my reaction on film because I didn't even know that it was coming. So this is the update. I got into Vanderbilt today. So woohoo! So I just found out that I got into Cornell. I got a likely letter to Cornell. Oh my, I'm shaking. I literally, oh my gosh, my heart is racing. Oh my god. Oh, I'm speechless. Speechless. Today's St. Patrick's Day and I just got an email from Pepperdine saying that my decision's ready. So that's exciting. It's like the first one I've had in a while where like my decision's like ready and I have to open something, whereas the past ones have been like little just emails that just say what it is. So crazy. Okay, so I have my portal open right now. Let's see. Okay, status update. I got in! Yay! There's like little confetti. I don't know if you can see it on this. That's so fun. we could be in Malibu next year, who knows? So that would be fun, but so yeah, super exciting, so woo! And I'm opening my decision. This is Hope. To Davidson. Okay, let's see.
My shoe. I have a shoe.
Yes, okay, ready? Oh no, I didn't get in. Oh no, that's okay. Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh, I got on the wait list. Isn't that exciting? Okay, woo. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm about to open my decision for NYU. They said that they would send me an email. Oh, by the way, today is March 28th. It's 4 p.m. Eastern time. I am like so tired. I am about to go out of the country in like less than 48 hours, have not packed. And I have like 4 tests coming up. It's that week before spring break kind of thing. So let's see. I got waitlisted at NYU. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Well, okay, waitlist round 2. I really hope that Ivy Day does not turn out how this is turning out right now because I've now been waitlisted twice. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, that's all right. It is what it is. No. No, I got it all. Okay, it's March 29th, and I'm checking my Emory decision. My website is looking weird. Ooh, I got in! Woo! Yay! I got into Emory. Woohoo! Oh wow! Awesome! Cool. Oh wow! Oh yay! Yay! Okay, I got an Emory. Okay, so we are currently on the flight to Amsterdam, and it's like 5:30 Eastern, and then Ivy League decisions come out at 7. So while we're flying over the Atlantic Ocean, we're gonna open the decisions if we have Wi-Fi. But this is just in case we don't have Wi-Fi. So yeah. Want to say anything? No? Okay. We're gonna eat some food. Okay, so currently we are on an airplane to go to Amsterdam, and then off to Poland. And I'm about to open my Ivy League decisions. It's Ivy Day, it's March 30th, 7 p.m. Eastern. We're literally like, look, hang on. Where'd it go? I don't know. I don't know where we are, but we're about to open it, so.
It's super exciting.
So yeah, oh yeah, there we are. We're somewhere there. So yeah.
Over Princeton right now.
Okay. Okay, it's 7.
Oh my gosh, is it really?
Let us know when you're opening it.
Okay, we're opening your right now.
Hang on, it's gotta load.
Like, give me a 1, 2, 3 to start video.
Okay, go ahead, video now.
Oh my gosh. This is the page is not working.
Okay, go to just let it reload.
It's 7:02 p.m. We are currently flying over Philadelphia, but I am opening my Dartmouth decision letter. I got it.
She got in! She got into Dartmouth.
Good job. Okay, Dartmouth. Oh my stars, I can't believe I got to Dartmouth. Okay,
Just pause. Let's go to your pen.
I'm like,
Okay, your pen. Okay.
can log in. It's gonna be really slow.
This should be a Delta ad.
Yeah. You're so right.
The congratulations part is good.
Okay, it's March 30th, 7 p.m. obviously. Now we are actually over Philadelphia, and I'm opening UPenn over Philadelphia. Let's see. I don't think I'll get into UPenn. We'll see. Status update.
She got into UPenn too.
12, got into Dartmouth, got into UPenn, rejected from Princeton, and now we're going to check Yale. Oh, rejected from Yale. Darn. Well, that's okay. Okay, so rejected from Yale, rejected from Princeton, we're going to check Cornell. I did get a likely letter to Cornell, so I'm kind of doing it right before Harvard just to like soften the blow a bit. I got it in Cornell! Okay.
Yeah, Cornell.
Okay, so I got into the Brooks School of Public Policy at Cornell, so that's a big deal because it's brand new. Okay, this is our last decision for the flight over to Amsterdam. Thanks so much. We have one more. Harvard.
Right now.
Okay. So Harvard, I really hope I can. Oh, rejected from Harvard. Darn. Okay. Well, that's that then. So still got into 3 Ivies.
3 Ivies.
Pretty good.
Amazing.
Oh yeah.
Way to go, Ireland. Way to go. That's so exciting.
Yay. Okay, today's March 31st. It is midnight where I am, where we are, which is Warsaw, Poland. And it is 6 p.m. at home, so Eastern time. And Duke comes out at 6. So we have stayed up until midnight to get this Duke decision. This is my last.
5 seconds.
This is so nerve-wracking. Like, this is my last college decision of this whole process. It's probably gonna take a minute to load because the Wi-Fi over on this side of the world is... Okay. It's still loading. Let me close out all these tabs. Oh, my heart is beating so fast. I'm like...
Come on, doubles.
It's literally just spinning. Oh, here, wait. Oh, my stars. Okay, view application update. Oh no, I got waitlisted. Oh man. Well. All right, well that was it for this college application process then. So thanks for coming along the ride of this process. I hope y'all enjoyed my like 20-minute long video of my senior year. So yeah, I don't know. I'll probably do an update about where I choose to go in the fall. So yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah. Okay.